gonna make pizza pie. No, pizza pie and gooseberry and blueberry. It's my favorite for my dollies. We're going to make cake, princess, and who is this birthday? Anna.
Happy birthday, Anna! Happy birthday!
She loves a birthday cake from Disneyland, but it's princess cakes. And we gonna make princess cake. So we're gonna start it and crumble it. And we started from the princess cake that is like a TV.com. Okay, we started. This cup of bowl of corn cheese. So let's. Here you go. Look at Daddy. Oh, look at Bita.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, Bita have one to seeds for.
It's okay.
Like this, okay? Wait, okay, BC. I have more slime stones. Look it. Okay. Beanie.com say me, you need a piece of paper. And for pizza seed here, and piece of paper, and crumb coated, and CD.com like that. And make it with some jelly beans to decorate it. So we need to start it. Bye!